Yeah, it's a very beautiful day today in my country, and right now I am staying in my home garden and happy to meet all of you once again with a new video. So there is a Indian paradise flycatcher in my home garden. So yeah, it's a great day to do bird watching as well, but for me mainly it is not the time to travel, because this pandemic is still prevailing in clusters in different areas in my country. So today I'm making a little bit different video, but this will be also based on bird watching. If you are a keen bird watcher and a nature lover, you should know this. In Sri Lanka there are two distinctive periods where mainly the resident birds and the migrant birds lay eggs. So one is in the beginning of the year, which is from April to June, and the other one is a little bit away from mid year. That means it falls from August to September. So most lately I was able to notice couple of birdlings in my home garden. So I'm creating this video to show that experience to all of you. So I welcome all of you to the RUSLexplorer channel once again. Aibowan. So I saw a spotted dove birdling and a yellow-billed Babbler birdling. So I'm just going to show how I interact with these birdlings. So first of all, let's have a look at the spotted dove Juvenile. Here we go. Well, so yeah, I know that the spotted dove juvenile is so cute, but it's very watchful. I tried to just get it to my hand, but it flew away. There were actually two spotted-billed birdlings in my home garden. Actually, they built the nest on a place just above my window in my room. So I saw them in the beginning, since the lay of the eggs, but I didn't go there to bother them, mainly the adult birds. So the juveniles most probably look like their parents. I mean, the wings and the tail wing also had the same size, but the colors are a little bit slightly different. So these birds should be really protected by the predators, mainly like the raptors. You know, in Sri Lanka there are eagles and the Shikras like birds. They always try to capture these kind of birdlings to eat. So once I saw how magpie robin birdling was snatched by a Shikra last year in my home garden. So it was eaten later. So yeah, you should really watchful if you are dealing with these birdlings, mainly from the Shikras, because there are very plenty in my home garden and in the surroundings. So next let's have a look how I pet and cuddle a little Yellow-billed Babbler birdling. So now let's have a look at that little bird. Well, if I add something about the Yellow-billed Babbler birdling, so this is the first time I actually saw a Yellow-billed Babbler birdling in my home garden, because there are hundreds of Yellow-billed Babblers who comes monthly to my home garden, but I haven't seen a juvenile. So all of a sudden one evening, as I showed you in the video, I noticed this birdling, because their parents and the other adult Yellow-billed Babblers were really confused on that evening when I walked into the garden. So I noticed this small juvenile sitting on a branch. So I got that advantage and just pat and cuddle the fellow. But their parents were really worried about that. And again I safely kept that little bird on a branch. So it was really pleasure to me, because I saw and I touched Yellow-billed Babbler birdling for the very first time. So it gave me great pleasure. So you can also see these kind of birdlings in your home garden. Just walk around and be watchful, but don't forget to harm them. Sorry, don't forget to protect them and prevent them getting any harm from human beings and other predators. Yes, that's it for this video. So there's another small segment. Let's watch that as well. So this is a baby Yellow-billed Babbler, a juvenile. All of a sudden I saw this small bird hopping in my home garden. So I just grabbed the fellow and pat it and just tickle it for fun. It doesn't seem to be afraid, but it wants protection. So I'm just going to leave the fellow on this branch, because I see their parents and the other birds are really worried. So it's an innocent little fellow. So this is a juvenile Yellow-billed Babbler. Well, I think and I hope that you enjoyed the birdlings which I did in my home garden. And mainly if you are Sri Lankan, just step out to your house, and if you have a garden like this, you can see, just walk through and see, mainly in the evenings and the afternoons, in the mornings, you might see these beautiful birdlings, and just try to observe them, their habitats and their behavior, how the parents feed them, etc, etc. But remember to just protect them from the raptors like Shikras. So I'm going to make a video about a Shikra which I noticed in my area, and actually not in my home garden. So you can just wait for it, mainly next week or in the couple of days which are supposed to come ahead. So thank you for the video. If you watch, sorry, thank you for watching the video if you did from the beginning, and try to put this into action. So that's what I expect through my channel. Step out to the outdoors and try to see these beautiful things in the nature, because it's always good to the mind. So I think that's enough for this video. Thank you for watching once again, and let's meet next week with another bird watching video. So wish you a happy stay and happy travel amidst this COVID-19. Be safe anyhow, follow the COVID guidelines as I do, and that's all for this video. Ayubowan and bye bye.